Unleash the power of nature. Why natural skincare is the ultimate game changer for your skin. As consumers become more health conscious, natural skincare products are becoming increasingly popular. Unlike conventional skincare products, which often contain synthetic chemicals and harsh ingredients, natural skincare products are made with natural, plant-based ingredients that are gentle on the skin and better for our bodies. Here are some reasons why natural skincare products are better for us. 1. No harsh chemicals. Conventional skincare products often contain synthetic chemicals that can be harmful to our skin and bodies. For example, some conventional products contain parabens, which are preservatives that can disrupt hormone function. Natural skincare products, on the other hand, are made with natural ingredients that are less likely to cause irritation or harm. 2. Better for sensitive skin. Many people have sensitive skin that is easily irritated by synthetic chemicals and harsh ingredients. Natural skincare products are often gentler on the skin and less likely to cause irritation or allergic reactions. 3. Environmental benefits. Synthetic chemicals in conventional skincare products can have negative environmental impacts. When these products are washed off our bodies and go down the drain, they can end up in our waterways and harm aquatic life. Natural skincare products, on the other hand, are often biodegradable and less harmful to the environment. 4. Full of nutrient ingredients. Natural skincare products are often made with high-quality ingredients that can benefit our skin. For example, plant-based oils like moringa, jojoba and avocado oil are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that can help nourish and protect the skin. 5. Better for long-term health. Natural skincare products may not only be better for our skin in the short term, but also in the long term. By avoiding synthetic chemicals and harsh ingredients, we can reduce our exposure to potentially harmful substances and promote better long-term health. In conclusion, natural skincare products are a great choice for people looking to take care of their skin and their bodies. By choosing natural products made with plant-based ingredients, we can avoid harsh chemicals, reduce our environmental impact, and promote better overall health. Plus, natural skincare products often smell amazing and feel luxurious on the skin, making them a treat for both our bodies and our senses.